add audio to our slide presentation. Let's go back to the original. Now, again, I'm stressing that we're using Google Slides. This isn't sophisticated video editing software. I'm not impressed by their audio tools that they have. There's really nothing. So this is what I came up with, okay? Here's the fighter right here, and we'll go ahead, and when we hit play, come on, click. Okay, well, it's really unsophisticated. The way you do it is you go, you can't even bring in your own audio. We could make it in GarageBand or something. You can't even bring in your own audio. You have to bring in a clip from YouTube. You see up here in the right-hand corner, that little thing with the arrow? That's a YouTube clip. And it's a 34 or 12-second video of an X-Fighter, and that's the sound in the background. That's how you get the sound. So it's very, I'm not impressed, but it works. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you how we do it. So if we have to go up to YouTube, we have to research and go get a video with the sound, and then we import that link into our actual insert video, and that's how we actually insert it here, and then we just shove it in a corner and hope nobody sees it. It works, so we'll go with it, okay? It won't be perfect, it won't even be close to perfect, but we'll be happy and we'll have fun in the process, okay? So that's one sound, is the fighters. That's that guy, and this one here. Okay, and then the other one is, oh, you know, I did it for this one too. I just used the same sound. And then the last is the explosion. I went and I got a different sound. Okay, so let's make it. Let me show you how it's done. I have my screen. This is my Google Drive screen. Okay, I'm going to put it on to the slide that I want. So we'll start with the fighters. Then I opened up a new window. Okay, so I opened a brand new other window, and I opened it to Google. And inside, to Google. Then inside of Google, I typed sound effects Star Wars X-Wing Fighter. Inside of the Google search, I typed sound effects Star Wars X-Wing Fighter. Where do you think they're going to send me but to YouTube? Okay, this is what it came up with. There's all these different people that have posted, and I went with the first one. One of the things I found attractive was 34 seconds. We don't need anything long. We need something just really short as it's zipping by. And then I clicked on it. I tested it. I'm not going to click right now. So I said, I like it. Actually, I am going to click on it. And there it is. I like it. Okay, and I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to come up here, click on the URL, and then go Control Command C, copy that link. You want to get it in blue, and then go Edit, Copy, okay? And then we come back to, I'm going to come back to my actual page, and on this slide, I'm going to go Insert, come on, Insert Video. This is so goofy, by URL, and then I put cursor in there, and then I go Edit, Paste. Get used to doing this. It's a lot faster. Command V, okay? So inside that cell, I'm going to go Command V, and there it is. It's ready to have, and I say select it, and there it is. Now we're going to take it and shrink it all the way down. Before we shrink it too much, make sure it's highlighting. Come in here and go autoplay when presenting. Make sure you click this, autoplay when presenting. And if you want to start at a certain time, you can do that. I don't recommend it. Then you take it and you go hide it somewhere that nobody's hopefully going to notice it. Put it up here in the corner, shrink it down. Oh, and this one's the fighter. So I'm going to have it copy, and then I'm going to come up here and go Edit, Copy, because you're going to use the same sound 3 times. So I'm going to put it down. We have the copy. I'm going to shrink this as much as I can. This way nobody will see it. Now I go to the next one. Okay? And I go Edit, Paste. There it is. Shrink it down. And then I go to the last one. Even though this one will sound different, I don't care. We're just learning a skill. And paste. And we'll shrink this one down. Okay? Ta-da! Now, how about we test? I'm going to close these format. Let's go back up to the first one. Okay? First slide. And let's test it. See what it sounds like. And click. Excellent. I like it. Okay, and I'm sure the other two work as well. Quickly, I'm going to show you, we're going to do the exact same thing for this, which is my explosion. All I did was I went and I got, let me move this guy. I'm going to drop this guy. Here's my research, okay? I opened up another window inside of Google. I typed in as my search, YouTube sound effect Death Star explosion. It just has the best sound, so that's why I put it in. YouTube sound effect Death Star explosion, okay? I found this very first one. Why did I like it? It was okay in sound, and it was only 13 seconds long instead of, look at the length of these other ones. So I went with that one, okay? And so I click on it, and see, it's poorly done, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna hit pause. I'm gonna come up here to the URL line. I'm gonna go copy, and then I'm going to come back to my slide, click on the slide, make sure it's active, come insert video, by URL, click inside of there, go edit, paste. Again, get used to using Command V, there it is. Select, hit the select button, and there it is. Now I'm going to reduce it, and oh, don't forget, over here on the right hand side, you want to click autoplay when presenting, okay? Now shrink it down, and then let's move this up to the corner where nobody sees it, and I think we're good. So let's try playing it. Go away, format options, play, and I like it. Again, we're dealing with Google Slides. This isn't going to be a Hollywood production. We're just learning a few things and having a lot of fun making our scripts and our storyboards come to life. Try it. Let's move on to the next step.